This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Okay, so this is a Bauer 8 amp 1100 watt RPM 4.5 angle grinder with trigger switch, also known as a rat tail. So we're gonna flip this box over, pop this out, boom, open the box. It's a nice little box with a nice little manual with this grinder. We don't need that. All we want to see is the actual grinder. So this is what the grinder looks like. It's slick, it's clean. This is what it looks like. It's fairly heavy. It's got a lock switch right there. Well, we'll go over some stuff. So there's the grinder. Here's the guard that goes over top of the grinder, which we're going to be installing that as well. Here is the tool for the grinder. We're going to keep this because this is a valuable tool. And here's the handle. The handle, I don't like this handle. I like the other handle that came with the other grinder that I got. That screws into the side. It's just a little cheap plastic. Okay, so this is a Bauer grinder. Now, looking at it, it's heavy. The top end is heavy, definitely. There's the stuff that you need to lock your cutting wheels on and stuff like that. It's a rat tail, they call it. So it's a small grinder. See, that feels better. Now you can cut it, grind it, and then now a couple features that I noticed. This grinder right here, if you squeeze the trigger and press that in, that's a lock. See, but that's the engage lock for the grinder. You click the trigger and it unlocks. Press the trigger, push it in, it locks. Press the trigger, it unlocks. Top heavy grinder. It's a good looking grinder. It's a nice finish, a nice color. They got another grinder that I was gonna get, but I changed my mind because the one I originally was gonna get is like more like the DeWalt, how it has the slide on here. You press the lever up and you press the trigger and grind. It's supposed to be a better one, 500 more RPM. So I stuck with this. This is what we got. The Bauer grinder. Add new to our Bauer collection. Never slow down once. Bauer. Pick yours up now at Harbor Freight for $42.